What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Catch, and I'm here back with another video showing you how to get your webcam connected to your Xbox so you can stream with your webcam. I have the HD 1080p Logitech webcam. There's a bunch of webcams that's out there, but there's a bunch of them that's not compatible to the Xbox. So you gotta kind of do your research, look into it, and we're gonna get started with my Logitech HD 1080p. All right, now let's get started, set up this webcam. So we're gonna take the USB part of the webcam to the Xbox. There's a bunch of ports on the Xbox X. There's 3 of them, actually. There's 2 in the back that you can see right here, and then there's 1 in the front. So we're gonna plug her in. Get her started. So we got everything plugged up to the Xbox. I ran my webcam up onto my monitor. So we're gonna turn her on and we're gonna get it started. Once your Xbox is all fired up and you got your camera positioned to where you need it or where you want it to be, we're gonna go here on the Xbox store. We're gonna look up camera. So I chose window camera, the free one that's up top. There's like 2 options you can go to. I just went to Windows cameras because it's free. Your boy ain't got the bread like that, you know. So we're gonna go there, we're gonna install it. All right, once the window camera app is downloaded, you wanna go to it, make sure your camera is working. Your camera should pop up like this to see if it's working. After you know the camera is working, you wanna press the home button. Go to capture and share, go down to live streaming, go down to camera options. Make sure your camera is on. And down here, you can move your camera to the position you want it on your stream. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Comments, concerns, questions down below. It's your boy Catch, and I'll catch you live.